Hello, my name is Injas Martens. I'm professor at the University of Leuven in Belgium. Welcome to Module 3 about 3D educational content. In this second tutorial, you will learn how to visualize 3D VR objects. Each time a pictogram of VR goggles appears in the lower left corner, you can perform an assignment or watch a video on that slide. First, 3D objects have to be created, or you can get them from a 3D object repository. This is the subject of tutorial 3.1. Once you have got a 3D object, you can use it in your lessons to show it to your students. In order to visualize it for your students, you can use specific visualization software. In this tutorial, you will learn about features and benefits of visualization software. Then, examples will be discussed of some useful applications, and finally, some 3D visualization apps will be shown. In general, the added value of visualization of 3D VR content is that it allows to assess product designs, to check manufacturability, maintenance procedures, ergonomics, and safety conditions. Thanks to Wi-Fi connectivity, all stakeholders can work together in real time from all over the world. The rendering is done by an external computer and not in the VR headset. The computer streams the images in real time to the VR headset, so the user can look at any 3D project immediately from any application on any VR system and without any data conversion. Users testify that such applications significantly reduce the number of design rework cycles, and as a consequence, they save a lot of time and money. City architects use virtual reality modeling in VR to try out several design alternatives. Once the model is finished, it is the ultimate tool for community consultation. In the end, it also allows for digital tourism. Click the link on the right side of the slide to experience a virtual model of the City of London. The model is available as a 7-day free trial. It is the most advanced, fully interactive virtual reality digital twin ever of a major city, with every door, lamppost and brick detailed. Apps like IKEA Place and Place Furniture AR are examples of AR apps that allow customers to evaluate the look of furniture from different angles and to see how well the products of a company fit in an intended location. Both apps are free. Here are some examples of software for visualizing different 3D file types. 3D-QR offers visualization software using QR codes. The software allows you to view a 3D object when you scan a QR code in, for example, a book, or it can show process data when you scan a QR code on a machine. Demo 3D VR for SolidWorks is an example of an add-in for a computer-aided engineering software. It's easy to use and it enables users to experience their models within virtual and augmented environments. The user can move around the object and can even look inside the object. The first link leads you to the website where you can register for the free trial add-in. The second website shows how SolidWorks files can be viewed in a VR headset. The third website explains how you can manipulate SolidWorks files with the controller buttons of a VR headset. So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like to know more about the XRforPED project, please click the link below and explore our project website. Thank you for watching.